replace the blades in about 3 months. So I got April, May, June, July, August. So I don't want to embarrass myself, but it's time for a blade change. So in this video, I'm just going to basically show you how I'm changing my Landroid blades. Okay guys, I ordered a set of new blades, and these came in the mail. Now I ordered these because they were cheaper. I'm just being real with you. Don't know if they're going to be any better, but they are titanium works blades by EmBerg. 18 blades in here, and the reason I got these because they was like $12 or something. Price should be showing up there. I got them off my Amazon store. All right, the blades that come with these right here, you see the price up in the corner, almost 30 bucks guys. So the math is, and guys, I'm just letting you look at it real close. I hadn't changed the blades, I hadn't washed this thing because I have been testing it. This is the one that cleans 1/4 of an acre. Guys, if you're interested in this, there will be a link at the end of this video that you could purchase one of these through my Amazon store, guys. So check it out. But this is with that power share battery right there. The 20-volt battery is supposed to work throughout the entire platform. But we're going to get right to it. What I did first, I picked it up and made a beeping noise. So we hit the stop button. That shuts everything down. But we got to take the battery. Take a look at each one. And you simply just open this up. And the power save battery. How does it come out of? The little button? Yeah, it's a little orange button right there. You just pull the button. This is the battery that's supposed to work throughout the entire platform right here, guys. So I got that out. There's no chance of it coming on. I'm gonna go ahead and flip this baby over, and I like to wheel mine over. Sometimes you can put something down on this side right here to cushion it. That's the anti-collision center right here. And guys, if you look at these blades, I'm gonna show you. When I got these blades, they were silver, and look at them, that chocolate covered. Now I heard that they were reversible, that you could take them off, flip them over, and it's supposed to cut both ways. But I'm just replacing the entire blades on each one. So let's get to it. So okay guys, I'm trying to get you as close as possible to the action here. Got the battery out. See the battery is out. These are the blades right here. Guys, if you want to put some gloves on, that's up to you, but see those? I'm trying to get you as close to the action as possible. All right, this is the replacement blade, and I'm assuming if you can see the words on it. Maybe you can't. And it's flat on one side and kind of beveled. So I'm taking them off the same way they look on here. Let's get to it. Shouldn't be hard. I'm just gonna hold that disc a little bit. Guys, I hope you can see this. I'm just kind of loosening them up. Guys, if you want to take the opportunity to clean your Landroid off, now's the time. But this video is about changing the blade. That's the new blade. Sit that right there. Screws still the same size. So I'm screwing this in from the top. Ooh, that is sharp. Look guys. Ooh, you might want to put some gloves on. I did cut myself, so the blade is sharp. We know that. Oh my goodness. Be careful. Yes, I know I should have some gloves on, guys. This video is about changing the blades. Don't troll me. Okay guys, before you tune away guys, if this video has been informational and you learned something, guys, please click that subscription button, ring that notification bell. Every time BYD uploads a video, YouTube is supposed to notify you.
Make sure those letters are where you can see them. Make sure you got them. Oh, that one don't have any letters on it, but...
Put some gloves on, guys.
Alright, I'm gonna hold the wheel down, kind of tighten it up. Now, Ron says you don't tighten these up super tight. They gotta have a little jiggle space in them. You can kind of see it got play in it. You want the blade to stand like that. You don't want to tighten these up and the blades are just stiff. They have to be able to move. And if I'm not mistaken, this only lets you tighten it up so far anyway. These blades are sharp, guys. See that little spin? Alright, one more blade to go. I'll put my hand down on it. That's it. That's it, guys.
Okay, y'all, for next. Now that I got the blades on now, and look, like I said, they're sharp. Look, I'm bleeding, man. It just nicked it a little bit and opened me up. All right, so I'm gonna flip it back over. All right, and we're gonna put the battery back in the power share compartment. Pull that up. Take the battery. You see the little notches right there? You just slide it in there. Hit a click. Let's see if we can get it back operational. I hit the power button, I think. Let's see. Okay, it says welcome. Hit my pin. I don't want you to see that. Press OK. Hit start. She's back online. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this run, and I just want to see if the cut quality got a little bit better. Sometimes when it's cutting poorly, you'll get those runners right there that kind of pull up, and that's kind of like dead Bermuda grass right there that just served its purpose and came up out of there. But we're gonna let this thing run. And guys, I know I've been promising you that Landroid video. Like I said, I was in an accident, just fell behind on schedule, but that video, it may come next season. Please don't tune away. But yeah, we're back online, guys, and this video was basically just to show you me cutting my finger off and changing the blades on my Landroid. You're tuned into Bermuda Grass Central with BYD. This is Michael Bowman, and I'll talk to you soon.